Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from Yellow Dot Artist. Today I'm going to show you how to mix colors to paint a sky. Actually, I'm going to show you two different versions. The first is using Ultramarine Blue with white. And here you see me mixing a light color, a little darker, and then the darkest. The second version uses Phthalo Blue and white. These are the two most popular blues that you use in a sky, just for the sky, not the clouds. So I'm mixing the same way, lightest to darkest. Each time I'm adding more of the dark blue to the white mixture. So painting on canvas, I'm just roughly putting it in. You want to start by applying the darkest higher in the sky and the lightest on the very bottom. And you can create even more gradations by adding even more of the dark blue or the light blue. And make sure to blend it in real well. So here I'm doing the sky version on the canvas with the Phthalo Blue. Darkest, then we'll do the mid-tone and then the lightest on the bottom. That's typically the way skies are. And make sure to work pretty fast so that you blend it because acrylics dry very quickly. I hope this short video helps you get started on your sky. Head over to my website, yellowdotartist.com, for more videos.